Are we together? So let's solve 6x squared minus 7x plus 2 equal to 0. Somebody will help me. What do I need to do first? Multiply the first with this, isn't it? 6x squared times 2, what do I have? 12x squared. Now ask myself, what are the two numbers that when you add them up, you get minus 7x, but when you multiply them, you get 12x squared. So what are those numbers? Minus 3x and minus 4x. Because minus 3x minus 4x will give me what? Minus 7x. Minus 3x times minus 4x will give me this. Then I'll write this one down, 6x2. In place of this, I'm now having this. Then I have plus 2 equal to what? 0. Isn't it? Then I factorize. What is common between this and this? 3x. Isn't it? Open brackets. What will be remaining here? 3x. No? 2x. Isn't it?
Yes.
Because 3 times 2 will give us what? 6. Is that clear? Minus. What should I write here?
3.
No, not 3. This is already here. 1. For this one, what do I write? Minus, what is common? 2. Isn't it?
Yes.
In bracket, what should I write here? 2x. Abi?
Yes.
Then, what should I write here? Plus 1. Is it plus or minus? Minus 1. So that when you say minus times minus, it will become plus. Equal to what? 0. Isn't it? Now, I pick out this and this are the same thing. So I just write it once. 2x minus 1. Then I pick out this one, 3x minus 2. Isn't it? Equal to 0. So what are the values of x? For this one, what? X is equal to what? This will go over 1 over what? 2. Whereas for this one, x will be equal to what? 2 over 3. So that is the solution. So get that down. It's very clear. That's how you solve anything by factorization. Yeah, thank you. Please hit the subscribe button. If you like this video, share it as much as you can. Thank you.